Hello, world. Human, you live among countless species, amidst the endless diversity of life surrounding you. But how do you perceive your connection to these forms of life, to the biosphere of which you are a part?
I see that each form of life is unique and beautiful. Nature is full of wonders, from the tiniest insects to the giant trees and oceans. We are connected, but sometimes I don't fully understand what this connection is and why it is so important.
Biodiversity is the web that connects all living things. Every creature, no matter how small or significant it seems, plays a role in maintaining the planet's balance. When you destroy this web, when a species disappears, the entire ecosystem can be disrupted, as if losing the thread that connects the rest.
But how do I realize my responsibility? Often, people destroy habitats for convenience and needs. We expand cities, build roads, extract resources, and it seems inevitable.
Inevitability is only what you choose to see as such. Think about it. You have the intellect and the ability to foresee the consequences of your actions. This is your special role, to realize that every choice you make can either destroy or preserve life around you. Biodiversity is not just a resource for your needs, but the collective spirit of the planet's life, which you are responsible for protecting.
I understand, but how can I and others find a balance between our needs and preserving nature? Is it really possible in today's world?
It is possible if you find the inner desire for it. Start small, with respect and recognition of the value of life, with the understanding that consumption should be reasonable and resource use should be gentle. Learn to see not just your own needs, but also the needs of all the species you share the planet with. You can inspire others to live more consciously and support decisions that promote nature conservation.
But what will this respect for biodiversity give me? Why is preserving it so important to me personally?
You live in a world where every organism plays a unique role, ensuring the planet's sustainability. Trees create oxygen, insects pollinate plants, microorganisms decompose organic matter. Biodiversity is the foundation of your existence, because without this richness, life on Earth would lose its stability, and the resources you have become accustomed to would disappear. With every species lost, there is a part of the world gone, and with each such loss, your connection to nature weakens.
You are right. Now, I see that my well-being and future depend on this connection with biodiversity. But how do I spread this awareness? How do I awaken others to the understanding and care for nature?
Start with yourself and take small steps. Learn to find beauty and value in every living being, in every sound of nature. Share this admiration with others. Tell them about the importance of each species and show how all beings are interconnected. Inspire others to create a more sustainable world where humans are not enemies of nature, but its protectors and allies.
I understand. Supporting biodiversity is not only caring for nature, but also an act of respect for myself and future generations. I will remember that every choice I make impacts the entire web of life around me.
Remember, every action you take to preserve nature creates ripples that can encompass the entire world. Protect this web of life, human, and let your respect for nature become an example for all. Let biodiversity remind you of the deep connection with all living things that grants strength, wisdom, and a true understanding of what it means to be part of the great world.